Good day and welcome back to the channel, my beautiful peeps. So guys, today I am at the river. You know me, tropical hunter, Kirky Outdoor Living, Davian Outdoor Adventures, guys. Gifted hunter. Is a whole lot of YouTuber. Ratty Wildlife TV, so forward. Brother forward, me know say forward back. Big up yourself, see? Yeah man, big up yourself like always. So link up back. So peeps, outside in the river bed now. Peeps, I pretty don't know how the water is pretty. Right now, I'm stunned. I made this affair look so. And I look so. But peeps, today we are going to brown through some pork. You see me? Some wild lag. Mosquito in there. We need to light up a fire. So the guys in there. Steve, how are you, Steve? You can stone. Steve there. Steve, how are you find remote? Yeah man. Yeah man, so Steve. Steve I get that treasure, you know? So David, what going?
There no people. There man. Look out no people. Mad thing, you know.
Yeah. So tropical, I look good.
Tick.
I look thick. See my back like foot, you know. Alright, peeps, so you know we have to take a one swim in there, then we say look at a deeper part. You know, show guys, you know, say down so have a look at deeper part of the water where we see some fish, some mullet and some jaguar, cichlid and some perch. So we are going to venture the river, go down when we're ready and show you what we're going to see. So stay tuned for that. So we have everything right so as me I tell you. You know we know I get copyright, so it's a pig foot, you know. So we're going. That's how the pig foot and the peeps. I cook some brown soup pig and rice today with black bean. Stay tuned as I say. Oh, what that? Come. Outside though, you know. Peeps, I say, Kirky Outdoor Living, eh?
Yes, people don't know we are with Akeem and the whole crew. If you want to go out, fire look, net did it, pot did it, think we are going to take place. The general.
You know a code?
Yeah.
That man.
Yeah, man. See, I don't look good? Alright, so I get things started now, peeps, and getting ready. So yes, on the peeps, so you know, see? We don't have black, we don't have catch pot pan, so we have to dig a piece of relay, you know? That's what I'm going? Yeah, man. So we have dig it off flat, we can drop in the stick and drop the pot pan top. So you all have to flat out, you see? So stay tuned for that.
Oh, yeah, the flat.
Yeah, go on.
Fit.
Shape it up, you know? Give my peeps like fire side this, you know? Understand? Yeah!
When I say style, bad, you know.
Alright, so I get us in there. Two pot them go on one time? No, a rice. We got a rice, so we have to put. We also put on the thing there. Okay, pot come, so I go on there. Gifted. That's the one. Beer off. I show them all going, Davian.
Someone.
Jump pot right. Alright, so this one sink go down now. See that? That is it. So I'm going to do a chop off hole and rest of the dirt, drop in a pot. I'm not see the pot to do with the dirt, see it? See it? So yes, my peeps, you know we are getting wild boar cut up now. No? Them square good though.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
You take a little while still, you know?
Yeah, man. So I get a boar cut up. We have some pig checkers there. Put one.
Yeah. We'll catch you after we get pick up a fire there.
Yeah. We almost finished. Cut up this way.
Yeah.
Put up a fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So peeps, stay tuned.
Can't make it.
Yeah, take out the camera, man.
No, me
I do painting from a day.
Yeah.
And I catch some video and some picture and let's see maximum.
Alright, my peeps, so we are burn out the original oil out of the meat. You hear that?
Actually smoke out of it and eat them.
Look at one. Come closer to it. You just bring you one water. One, that is it, man.
What you do?
Yeah, man, we are bunja it down, you know. Bunja it down. Burn out the oil out. Because you know too much, the fat itself, the pork itself have a whole heap of oil like. And you know, a wild hog, so you meet some one bag of thing. So you know,
wild pig.
wild pigs? A wild hog, man, a hog. A Jamaican in a man. You tell him, peeps. Tell him what I go on. Tropical hunter.
Wagwan brother, wild hog, no wild hog.
man,
I go in the bush and run out and not come along. You go in the bush and eat banana, calalo, gambling. Well, that is wild hog.
Watch out now, look out for the river come and see feel the rain and do it.
Kids by your man. Kids by your. Down deep on this, deep on the water, eh? Go down there, do you read up on this, eh? Ready?
Yes, people, so wagwan, good old wild hog. We are tell them, yeah, this is what? Wild. Yeah, man, people, in the Riverside setting. You don't know, people, if you want some, you come feed. Bushy park there, one bushy park outdoor living. There in the river, you're right now. Yeah, man. Peter, people, not normal. Real cooking. Yeah, man, bad. Come, take a little nearer city, man. Come in right. Just a Ratty Outdoor. No, man, Wildlife TV. Even got the name. Ratty Wildlife TV, yeah, man. Oh, yeah,
One more brownie.
Yeah, man.
One look more brownie night.
Yeah, man, you want to come out brownie. Yes, a big chef. A two chef on them, yeah, keep that on it, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Don't know?
Ah!
No, man, he good, man. He good, man. He good, man. He good, man.
Black hog, where you eat?
No, black, man. No, I bet you not black like that. I bet you.
You don't have black man. Sorry, you want sorry.
No, I cook that man.
No, man, I mean, oh, I'm here, brother. You know, hey, he hit a bun off. What I think that man here, fella. Boy, me can take this bun, I'm on the other bun.
Yes, my peeps. So, you know what I say? Now, Kirky there, see me, eh? Hi. Buka cook to yan, oh. Where's the Kirky? We can mix up everything now and put them
No,
pan.
man.
Want to cook them more?
Make a cook, you have a serve.
Alright.
You can put this in.
No. So, na go lang may water deep.
Not deep water around the boy.
Eh? A far you have to go deep water.
Well far. Deep
Oh.
just I am to sit there.
Then look at something. You go by bridge or you not go dive also?
Yeah, we are cut out.
Eh?
We are go for the show.
Alright.
Just a bit there.
Yeah, man.
Why I'm tired there, man.
Yeah, one peeps. Come show you people playing fish, one fish. Eh? That is it, one, yeah?
Yeah, man, general.
Yeah, man.
Pick it up there, man. I mean, he broke it off.
Peeps, you see what I go on? Yeah, man. Them shoot a one fish, but them say the water shallow is in, so you know where that go. But they are still a go and chef up is in. Yeah, man. But they are still a do it. Eh, Ratty, Ratty. What go on there?
Yeah, people, we outside on the riverside, you know.
Yeah, man.
I do a little thing, you don't know. Just like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah. That is it, my peeps. See it? So stay tuned.
Them fat, you know, them fast like a bullet.
What you say? Mullet them though?
Them fat, but them fast like a bullet.
Wait, we got you and I go now, brother. Tell me, man, which one you
See my job off and yeah. Give this away the blaze fish.
Smoky fish.
Blaze one that's smoke as well.
Smoky, man, you have to smoke it. So you quick that down. Watch out again.
You can't go for video.
You see? You have to smoke him. You smoke him and give that flavor there. You see?
Like it already though.
I must have shoot up on the
No put down gold for fire night, yeah?
No, let's go for video, me show one.
This dig too white, you know. Must say pot small.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Right here. Right to the Rambo knife, yeah? Yeah, man. I went all good old coconut powder to have some peas, black eyed peas, yeah? You can see it, people. Yeah, man. We will mix up it and it's going to the pork. You call it stew pork? With
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, want some water tonight, I know. See it, I know? Yeah, man. Come on, it's Ratty. You know what I'm saying? Ratty Wildlife, you know? Yeah, man. And normal. What finish some more with that? Yeah, man. All bush time, you know? Yeah, man.
Share copy.
Yeah, man. See the people? Roll like a roll dumpling. Yeah, man. See the thing, and man.
Like cornflakes, man.
Oh, fly it up. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Pull it pot.
Fire.
Pull it pot.
Pull it part, yeah, man. Go all the while, eh? Failure. Yeah, man, see it, Alright.
A spoon.
Yeah, man, spoon, eh?
Teaspoon in that pot, that's all. Eat us
Yeah, man,
thoroughly.
people is very pretty, there, man. I tell you, if you can boil the black eyed peas there, we cook already, you know, with salt and season already and thing, you know. And if you want to go and look at the pig foot, yeah. Go wild hog. Yeah, man. Onk. Hey, you know, normal people, man. Nice, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I go one family up there, sir. Yeah, man.
That's guide. Move on the location.
Taste it and see how deep it is.
Yes, people. I chuck off in the water now.
Well, what's up, man?
Water nice. Yes, so nice. We have one start to my bush park.
You stand up. Stand up. Oh.
Hey, you're not people. Hey, I'm more you learn. I'm more
You know, sa natural sa deep this, you know.
Hey, I know what I'm saying. AI. You know what Akim.
Yeah.
You know how you there AI.
Yeah, man, lang siya.
You tell me how you done to make it picture and pretty. That's how you do AI.
Oi. Yeah, give me back 5,000, I'll go pay back everything.
You think? Oh, you want that. Right, Pete, so you know, I wash out this and I'll jump in the rice night and put that. So see you thing.
Yeah, no, man.
Right, pork.
Yes, good.
Eh?
Come on, we go back for yourself. Hi, lady.
Like, whoa.
I don't want to know panties.
There's a boy like over there.
Oh, yes, sir.
Ratty, what man must say about rice, Ratty? Peeps, man must say I can't cook it up.
I must say rice need to work out and look how nice, bossy and shelly and pretty.
What them are going with?
It's a potty.
That is it, man. Peeps, just stay tuned and watch how go on.
Come on, take up. Yeah, man, Pete, so you sweep up the place for you put on the table, you know?
Yes, people, yeah.
Right about, right about.
Think if take out me.
No, I'm the same food, brother.
Can't keep my name around
I push you the wash off, brother. Take out the right first, man. How much paper there?
How much are we there? Conta, pe. Conta.
12, the guard. Steve guard. 12.
We can put more rice in ice cream.
Well, hold on. Just show everyone put. They put more rice.
That matter. No, jag gillar ju färg, man.
Patin tu.
Nej, man, jag vet inte hur jag gör det, man. Jag säger go, man. It make it sweet.
Share two piece, man. If we meet them big enough, share two piece. Yeah, for piece more. Take a bigger piece. I make them. Take up a phone, Artie. Yeah, man, stop. Yeah, man.
Bad man.
The man has to can't cook rice, peeps. Guy name Chef Youth. You know? Yeah, man.
After me,
Yo, man, come take up your food and dog. See, fly them and come here. Come in, Elvis Bush. Come in.
after me, I get a little prep.
Come in, man. Man, them thing there. Take up a food. Let's take up a food. Let's take up a food. Take up a food. Take up a food.
One with less rice.
Anything, man. Take up a food. Yeah, man. Who want to take up food? I also want food there.
Yo.
Wait, Steve there. Steve got a shop.
Up by running with that. Certainly the whole wild hog in the bush Riverside, yeah?
Yeah.
Riverside 13,
Yeah.
fishing and cooking. Down there you go. And I eating at the riverside.
Yeah, man.
Until me take a bait already in the river. I swim.
Yeah, man, peeps. So see, man, I'm afraid I camera, you know. Great bush, you know. Just come from work. Boom, 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 boom. Huh? Food disappear.
Nah, tell a man. What
Yeah, man. Ratty over there. I don't to fries. What's that, man? Yo. You ain't know what to do. Look on your foot. Look on your foot. You ain't know what to do. You want some sugar, you know. Just throw it upstream and just pop your mouth.